How's it going, guys? We're replacing the ball joints, A-arm type thing on this Nissan Pathfinder. I'm a little out of breath. Been working on this thing. It's absolute hassle for this vehicle right here, because you have to take the CV axle and maneuver pretty much everything around in here. It's very hard to do, but if you're a mechanic like me, you can get it. No, but for real. The CV axle, you're gonna have to take the pin out, kind of slide it back and maneuver that sucker in there, zip it down. I ended up on the passenger side having to take these off and put them in separately. But here was the old one. As you can see, bushings kind of ate up in there. Same thing on that one. Came with the Nissan Pathfinder, so I wanted to go ahead and do it. Go ahead and inspect brake pads, rotors, CV axles, boots, such like that. And that's exactly what I did. So far, not looking too bad. It's just a little aggravating to put the A-arms on. Figured I'd do a little video, show you guys what's going on, show you guys what's up. I'm actually going to put a Nissan Altima sound system in this Pathfinder. So stay tuned for that. Feel like that'd be pretty cool. But she's getting better day by day. Like and subscribe.